Slim invested 15,000 into a fund that promised J% interest rate per annum, compounded every 2 months. Oh, okay. Let's draw some timeline. Okay. Invested 15,000 into a fund that promised J%, compounded every 2 months. Every 2 months M dia berapa? Every 2 months 12 bahagi 2, 6. Okay. This investment is made 2 years. Okay. Dia buat 2 tahun je investment ni. Okay. The investment is made 2 years. At the end of the investment period, the balance in the fund, okay, maknanya, what does it mean by 70,240.13 tu? Apa maksud dia ni? S, okay, that is our S, okay. 70,240.13. Okay, how long is the T? 2 years, right? Okay, and dia berapa? 2 darab 6, 12. Okay, macam mana nak cari J? Okay, so formula dia S equals to P1 plus I power N. Okay, maka dia mula kat sini. Okay, S dah ada dah. 17240 13 sen, P 15,000. 1 tambah I adalah J. J kita nak cari now. Okay, M kita tadi berapa? 6. And dia 12. Okay. What should we do first? 17240.13 bahagi 1000. No, bahagi 15,000. Oh, wow. Let us keep it in division, in fraction first. Okay. 1 tambah J per 6 kuasa 12 sama dengan, saya tak permudahkan dan juga saya tak ambil dalam perpuluhan. Kenapa? Sebab nak elakkan pembundaran terlalu awal. Okay, early rounding off. Okay, so I keep it like this. Okay, sebab nanti kalau kita cari perpuluhan dia banyak juga tu. Okay, alright. Now what are you going to do if your J is inside of this power 12? Macam mana nak hilangkan power tu? Punca kuasa. Okey, punca kuasa berapa? Punca kuasa 12. Okey. Ada guna lock ke? Boleh guna lock Boleh juga guna lock kan? Boleh? Guna lock boleh? Punca bukan kuasa 1 per 12. Oh, boleh juga. Can also. Good idea. Okay. J sama dengan semua benda masukkan kalkulator lah jawab dia. Okey. Punca kuasa 12. Oh, shift 12. 17240.13 bagi 15,000 darab, tolak dulu. Tolak dengan 1 sebab yang ini kan tambah, pindah belah kanan dia jadi tolak. Okey. Dapat jawapan kena cross multiply, darab dengan 6. Nanti J dapat 0.0. 6999. Maksud dia J sama berapa? 0.07 ataupun 7%. Okey. Panjang tu 999 dia tu. Banyak lagi tu sebenarnya. Okey. Yap. Plus minus boleh nak buat plus minus sebab punca kuasa apa? Genap kan? Boleh nak buat plus minus pun tak apa. But since our J kita adalah rate, so kita terus ambil positifnya. Boleh? Why not? Can also. Kena buat ke tak? Optional. Both accepted. Bukan rate. Kena wajib lah. Yang ni kita memang dah awal-awal declare J kita rate. Okay. B. B, what is B? The balance in the fund. The balance in the fund. Where is the balance? What balance? What does it mean by the balance in the fund? Which balance? What is the balance? Apa dia balance? Yang ni, S, okay? What are you going to do with this balance? Invested into another scheme that promises 11.5% interest rate per annum compounded semi-annually. Okay, this one dia punya J sekarang adalah 0.115. Okay. M dia berapa semi-annually? 2. Okay, semi-annually 2. Find the amount that Roslim will receive. Okay, dia akan dapat berapa duit ni if the scheme matures after 8 years. Okay, T dia berapa? T dia 8. From where? Those T. Oh, 8. Oh, my bad. 8 lah kan. After 8 years tu maknanya after 2 years lah kan. 8 years tu T dia lah 8. Matures after, kita dah reset balik ni. Okay, kita dah reset balik. Okay. T dia 8. N dia berapa? 16. Okay, 16. Okay, what happened to the S now? Dia jadi apa? Dia jadi P kan? Untuk the new S. Okay, kalau ini S1, maknanya we are looking for S2 lah right now. Okay. Okay, so this is using what formula? S equals to P1 plus I power N. S kita nak cari, P kita guna yang balance tadi tu, 1724.13 sen. Okay, 1 tambah, this is in the new I. Okay, 0.115. 0.115 divide by 2 power N. What is N just now? 16? Yes, okay. 1724.13 darab dengan 1 tambah 0.0. No, this is not 0.0. 0.115 bahagi dengan 2. Kuasa 16. Okay. Kuasa 16. RM 42,172 dan 23 sen. Okay. Tu je ke dia tanya? Yes, that's all. Alright.